Welcome to my channel and don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon product reviews. Join me as I put the new Apple AirPods 4 to the test and see if their active noise cancellation really beats the AirPods Pro. The wait is finally over, folks. Apple has unleashed the AirPods 4, and I'm excited to dive in and explore the latest features, particularly the active noise cancellation that's got everyone buzzing. There's been a lot of controversy surrounding the noise cancellation and sound quality of previous AirPods models. Many users have reported issues with ambient noise seeping in, making it difficult to fully immerse themselves in their music or podcasts. Additionally, some have complained about the audio quality being lackluster, with excessive bass and poor treble response. Another common issue is the noise leak, where people around you can hear what you're listening to, even at moderate volumes. This can be embarrassing and frustrating, especially in quiet environments like offices or libraries. Apple claims to have addressed these concerns with the AirPods 4, boasting a significantly improved active noise cancellation system. But does it really live up to the hype? That's what I'm here to find out. So, what's the magic behind the AirPods 4's active noise cancellation? Apple's proprietary technology uses advanced algorithms and microphones to detect and cancel out unwanted noise in real time. This allows for a more immersive listening experience, with clearer audio and minimal distractions. In comparison to the AirPods Pro, the AirPods 4 seem to have a more refined approach to noise cancellation. The AirPods Pro uses a similar technology, but the AirPods 4 takes it a step further with more advanced noise detection capabilities and better audio processing. In real-world tests, I've found the AirPods 4 to perform exceptionally well, especially in noisy environments. Whether I'm commuting on a busy train or working out at the gym, the AirPods 4 have consistently impressed me with their ability to block out distractions and deliver clear, crisp audio. One thing's for sure, the AirPods 4 have raised the bar for active noise cancellation in true wireless earbuds. Whether you're a commuter, an athlete, or just someone who wants to enjoy their music in peace, the AirPods 4 are definitely worth considering. So, what's your experience been like with AirPods? Do you think the AirPods 4 are a worthy upgrade, or are you sticking with your trusty AirPods Pro? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're new here, consider subscribing for more tech reviews and updates.